Assalamu alaikum. This is me Zainab Irfan and my ID is 20010231020 from BSPT Batch 10 and my course is Principles of Chemistry 1 and this is also submitted to the Dr. Hammad Majeed. Next content of my PPT is kinetic sand, slime, Playdough and the foam mats that are safer for the kids playing. Next, what is kinetic sand? Kinetic sand is the original squeezable sand that you can't put down. Kinetic sand is 98% sand and 2% polymethyl xyloxane, so you can pull it, shape it, and mold it to create incredible sand. Kinetic sand is regular art sand that's been coated with silicone oil, said by Rick, a member of American Chemical Society. Kinetic sand looks like regular wet sands. It is about 98% ultra fine grains sand mixed with 2% dimethicone and coated with olive oil. Because of its coating, the sand never dries. It mimics the physical properties of wet sand. Ingredients. Ingredients of kinetic sand are and coloring and water. Process of making the kinetic sand is pour sand into a mixing bowl. Add in cornstarch, mix cornstarch and sand. Make the colored soapy water solution. Add color to your soapy water solution and the soapy color solution to your sand and mix it well. Next, there are some recipes of the kinetic sand. First one is fine play sand, dimethicone. It is easy and closest to the commercial products. The recipe will be 2 cup sand, 2 cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon dish liquid and water, which gives moldable, soft and recipe 2 is we took a 2 cup sand, 2 cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon dish liquid and water, which gives moldable, soft and moist. The kinetic sand. Recipe 3 is 1 cup flour, 1 cup cornmeal, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon corn syrup, which gives non-toxic, edible and natural color of the kinetic sand. Next, slime. Let me tell you about what is slime. Slime is made up of after the chemical reaction between two main ingredients, polyvinyl alcohol and borate ion, both of which you can find in everyday household items. Polyvinyl alcohol can be found in simple PVA glue, and the borate ion is created when the bicarbonate of soda, which is basically a baking soda, is mixed with contact lens solution. The main components are the polysaccharides, core gum, and the sodium tetraborate. As an alternative to the polysaccharides, other alcohol group containing polymer may be used to similar results. These non-polysaccharides polymer products are more often referred to the flubber. Next, fluffy slime. How can we make fluffy slime? There is a procedure that add your white glue to the bowl, add your water and baking soda to mix them. Then add some shaving cream and mix it well. Then add your food coloring until you are satisfied with the color mix. Now slowly add in your contact solution. Next one is super slime. Super slime ingredients of super slime are polyvinyl alcohol, borax, beaker or jar, food coloring, which is optional. Next, polyvinyl alcohol. Polyvinyl alcohol is a liquid polymer and is therefore formed from long chain of connected molecules. The sodium tetraborate form hydrogen bond with oxygen present in PVA chains. Hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond occur when the positive charge of the hydrogen atom attracts with the negative charge of the oxygen within the compound. The hydrogen bond links the individual PVA strands to each other, creating a blob of the slime. Next. Since hydrogen bonds are weak, they will break and reform as you hold the slime or let it ooze into the flat surface. Simple slime. Ingredients of simple slime are school glue, white glue or elamer glue, borax, food coloring, which is also optional here, and water. Next, the glue has an ingredient called polyvinyl acetate, which is liquid polymer. The borax link the polyvinyl acetate molecules to each other, creating one large flexible polymer. This kind of slime will get stiffer and more like putty the more you play with it. Next topic is Play-Doh. What is Play-Doh? Before telling you about Play-Doh, let me tell you about what is dough. Dough is basically a thick, pliable paste made up of flour derived from grains, legumes, or starchy vegetables, and a small amount of water or other liquids. Many food products are made from dough, like bread, cookies, crackers, pancakes, and so on. The process of making dough starts simply with a mixture of flour and water with additives such as salts, leavening agents, for example, yeast or baking soda, and sugar, oil, and fats. Depending on what you are trying to make variations in ingredients and preparation method will lead to the end products. Next, Play-Doh. Let me tell you about the history of Play-Doh. Play-Doh was originally created as a non-toxic wallpaper clay. Joseph M. Wicker owned a company that sold wallpaper and soap. Realizing that the soft, pliable wallpaper cleaver was a great modeling clay, he tested it out on some local daycares and schools. The result was amazing. Joseph and his uncle Nu quickly applied for the patent of his reusable clay and named it Play-Doh. Now tell me about Play-Doh. It is a modeling clay for the children, typically made at home for the out of flour, water, and salt. Play-Doh is composed of flour, water, salt, boric acid, and mineral oil. The combination of ingredients creates a soft, squeezable, non-toxic, and usable modeling compound. The mineral oils helps give Play-Doh a smooth texture. The boric acid keeps it from the developing mold, so it lasts for the long time. Next, ingredients of the Play-Doh. Ingredients took some flour, create a cream of tartar, salt, vegetable oil, water, and food coloring, which gave us Play-Doh. Ingredients with molecular formula. Here is the molecular formulas of the ingredients which are used in Play-Doh. Water. Molecular formula H2O named dihydrogen oxide, and here is flour, and his formula is C23H33 and 3O8. And the next salt, molecular formula Na, sodium chloride. Next, vegetable oil, molecular formula C54H100O7. Octadecanoic acid. Next, cream of tartar, molecular formula C8H16O5, name methyl 4-deoxy-4-methyl. Next, super smooth Play-Doh. How can we make super smooth Play-Doh? Took 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup salt, 4 tablespoons of tartar, 2 cup water, 2 tablespoons baby oil or coloring is optional here. Now, how we do it? Combine the dry ingredients in the saucepan and then add water and oil and mix it well. Cook over the medium-high heat, stirring frequently until the mixture begins thickening and form the firm ball. Remove the heat and knead when the cool enough. Store in airtight container. Then we will get super smooth Play-Doh. Next, there are some types of foams which are safer for the kids playing. Types of foams are There are different types of foams which are safer for the kids playing are one is interlocking premium foam mat and the other is jumbo foam mat. Interlocking premium foam mat. Although there are different types of children play mat foams and the interlocking mat are among most popular. These make an excellent addition to any floor, which where kid will run, jump, roll, or play as they are lead or latex free, waterproof, non-toxic, stain resistant, and super easy to install with interlocking puzzle design. To transform a space into one that provide into a vibrant look and the cushioned layer of the safety for kids to play on, choose 5/8 inches premium mat. These foam children's play mat are excellent choice for an area needed some thermal insulation, noise suppression, and waterproof properties. There are also a stain resistance, which comes in handy if kids are eating or drinking in play area. Next, jumbo foam play mat. Jumbo foam play mat. If you have a large room or gym space that you would like to create a suitable for the kids play area, these jumbo foam mats play provide for the fun and safe option that is latex free, waterproof, and non-absorbent for the kids area. They are great rough play as they are rated for the 4 feet fall height and have a skin burn free top texture. These tiles are quite large formats at 40/40 inches, but they weigh about 9 pounds. If so, there are easy one for personal to install over the solid floor or thin pile carpeted floor. If one of these tiles should become damaged, they are easily to turn over to use other side or remove the replace. And as no adhesive is necessary, which type of interlocking floor tile. Next, chemical composition of the jumbo foam play mat. These foams are usually made up of polyvinyl chloride (PVC) and polyurethane or EVA. EVA format play mats are also commonly touted as being non-toxic. However, a EVA form has been found to off-gas formamide. Currently, there are no 100% formamide-free EVA foam mats on the market, as the company can claim that its mats are formamide-free, but it can do so because formamide is only tested in the certain line. So here is all about my topic. Thank you.